to turn on email notifications on OnlyFans. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can enable email notifications on your OnlyFans account. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com, then press enter to search it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach to this interface of your OnlyFans account. Here at the left side, you will find various options. From here, click on notifications and then click on the settings icon at the right side. After clicking on it, you will be presented with various notification options. Here select the email notification options and then here you will see email notification options. You will also see the toggle button at the right side of this email notification option. Now to enable it, you just simply have to toggle this button and there you go. You have successfully enabled email notifications on OnlyFans. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.